PDYN stock. Is it a buy? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Right, simply put, Palladyne AI stock has just delivered like crazy. 60, almost 62% increase in price on Friday is crazy. And if you watch my videos, you will know what my bias was like, even from the beginning here in November and even here. Both cases, like both days, he just gapped up without me. That kind of sucks, but all I can do is just kind of move forward. And with the thing that I see right now with Palladyne AI is still a pretty good range, but it does not mean like once Monday rolls around that I'm going to like immediately buy. No, I would love to see my rules met. And then I'll double down on that bullish side. That's it. Everything else in the meantime is noise. So yeah, 5 minute to 1 minute shift would also make sense as long as there is the right risk to reward. So I really wouldn't care about that. Not financial advice, it's just my opinion. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.